This post is sponsored by Gain. I'm just kidding. I wish it was. Hey, Procter & Gamble. I like doing laundry and I only use Gain. Hey guys, and welcome to my closet / laundry room. You've seen it in a few of my videos. It's killing me how disorganized and messy it is. So today's video is going to be an organize with me. I'm just gonna make this mess hopefully look a lot better. So we'll see. Hang out with me. Maybe it'll inspire you to do a little cleaning too. What we've got going on here, this is my pile of stuff that I've got online for sale. So organized. These are my clothes. These are like my pinup costumes. These are like random bags and hats that I don't wear that often. This is my gym clothes rack. And then the floor. Let's take you to the floor. This is a box that I got out of the barn. It has some of my winter clothes in it. I've got to deal with that. That's the box that had all the Tupperware in it that I've been selling, along with a pair of shorts I just picked up. Oh, my dryer's running. I'm sorry. I just realized that. These towels need to go in the house. They're Alico towels. We cleaned him up. The messy corner, the dirty corner, my hula hoops from pinup, my mailing boxes, and a random chair. So, yeah, hang out today as we hopefully make this mess look not so messy. And I actually didn't show you the stuff outside. I've already moved some stuff. Oh, I've already done Jeremy's side of the closet. That's today's laundry that I've got to do. That's the extra basket I keep out here. I had to just kick them out of the room because I didn't have room to work. And then the trash bag, and then the gym towel bag, and it's a disaster in here. All right, so step one, so I'm gonna get after this laundry basket. I actually love doing laundry. I don't know why. I mean, I totally like doing laundry. It's like, it's a process. Step one, step two, step three, and then it's done. You know, for whatever reason, I like laundry. I hate vacuuming. I don't know why. I mean, I recognize that there's nothing that makes a room look cleaner than being freshly vacuumed. And it's not hard. I just hate vacuuming. When I have to do it, Thursday is vacuum day. Like, I have some daily things to try to do. Thursday, it needs it more than that, but Thursday is like the non-negotiable, you have to vacuum day. And I won't do it till like 8 o'clock at night. Go figure. What do you hate? What's your least favorite household chore? What's your favorite? Maybe we can trade out. I can come to your house and do your laundry, and you can come to my house and vacuum my floors. So now I've got the washing machine running and the dryer running. It's gonna be really loud in here. I probably won't talk too much. But here we go. We're gonna start tackling this mess. Stay tuned. So I took the winter sweaters that had been stored in this box out and into my other seasonal storage box, which I'll deal with it in a little bit. I'm going to use this box to store all the things that I'm selling online to get them off of my dresser, because that is driving me berserk. I'm going to put a fabric softener sheet or two in there just to keep it smelling nice and fresh. Okay, so I've got this box loaded up, and for right now I'm going to set it outside just to get it out of my floor, to get it underneath my feet. I do still have a few things here. This, I've got a list here in a minute. New with tags. So I have a rule. We're trying to get out of debt, and all the change I find when I'm doing laundry, or, you know, that I just pick up here and there, goes into our get out of debt fund. So I don't have any pockets on me right now, so this is going to have to live there for a little longer. a measuring tape for when I list stuff online. So weird. People want to know what size things are. Alright, so we've gotten everything just kind of picked up and a little bit out of the way so that we can get it back organized and whatnot. I own probably 8 pairs of jeans, but I only wear a couple pairs, so I think I'm gonna put most of them back in the bottom drawer down here and then just leave the couple pair I wear most often. So here in a minute this is going to be better organized. I don't know how I've let it get so disheveled. Alright, so I've got the front done. I normally don't like putting pants in the front. That just seems weird. But because I have my shoe rack down here, the pants have to go in the front or the backpack. But I wear them too often to put in the backpack. So what I've done first is I started with my sleeveless and my tanks. And this is throwing me because I don't know if it should be in the front or in the back. I think I'm going to move it to the back. I'm trying to do Roy G. Biv, but I don't know where gray falls on that. So we're going to put it here. So I don't have any red. I have orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, violet, and then I like to go brown and then black. And then I have a couple little jackets. Then I go into my t-shirts, white. Apparently I own no color t-shirts or they're all in the washing machine. So we got the gray and the black. And then I do the same thing for my long sleeve, red, orange, yellow, green. You can tell what my favorite color is, blue. And then we go into the gray and the black. And then I got my long sleeve shirts, white, a multicolored, denim, chambray, and then my denim jacket. And then now I'm going to tackle back here the dresses and the dressier clothes. Alright, so that looks a little bit better. At one point in time, I had matching hangers. I don't know what happened. Like, I think Jeremy had all white and I had all black, or he had all black and I had all white. So, I'm not doing it today, but that is going on the project list to get my hangers back all the same color. I think I'm going up top next. So we're going to take all that down, look at what's up there, see if any of it needs to go, and then make a call. So here we have everything that came off the top shelf. A couple of pairs of my favorite boots that I don't get to wear that often, but I love them, so they're not going anywhere. I know what's in here. This is my pinup stuff. This is our lake bag. This is miscellaneous fitness equipment. That is purses and bags. So I'm gonna open all this up, see if I can store it better and take better advantage of this shelf space up here instead of having crap thrown. Well, it's now 4 hours later because we had planned on running to town to do some errands, and so we did that. So now I'm gonna get back after this and finally get it done. Definitely not done. I still have like the scary corner over here, and I still have some things that need to go other places, but much improved. Looks a little less crazy. I still need to wipe my dresser down, and like I said, there's a few more things I need to do, but I'll get an after picture. So anyway, I hope you have a great day. I hope you tackle some decluttering, organizing project. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. And if you really want to be super awesome, subscribe so you can get all my random videos. So you guys have a great day. Stay strong. Bye.